Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. Today is day 3 of our Ladakh ride. We are in Manali. We stayed here the night. This is our hotel, hotel Manali Heights and cafe, whatever. So we started the ride on small bikes, Yudhvir's Himalayan, my X-Pulse, Tushar's X-Pulse. But then we were also joined by Sumit Berry. Hi Sumit. Sumit is riding his BMW GS850 and Jasveen is on his Tiger 800. Jasveen is the main guy of this trip. He's our tour guide. We all came here
Hello.
completely on Jasveen's word. He's going to take us to all the nice places. He's done this before. We haven't. So right now, we're going to do basic maintenance on the motorcycles. And by that, I just mean we're going to lube the chains. No shaft-driven motorcycle this time. So we're just going to lube the chains. And we're riding only about 90 odd kilometers today to Jispa. Jasveen, tell me this. Jispa is only 90 kilometers from here. Okay, it'll take about 3 hours, let's say, to get to Jispa.
Not 3.
Less than that?
Because we'll take a break. Maybe at Turtle Tunnel we'll take some pics and all. We'll
Sure.
time. We'll have lunch in between also. So 3 hours is riding time.
Okay.
30-35 kmph average speed.
Right.
So 3 hours, 95 kilometers. And maybe we'll waste time, 1.5 hour taking pics and lunch.
No problem.
So
Now, Jasveen, tell me this. A lot of people wonder, Leh is about 400 kilometers from here, let's say. So a lot of people wonder, why do we stop at Jispa and then do 300 kilometers in a day the next day to Leh and not do Manali to Sarchu, which, would cut down your distance to half. Why not do that?
So when you are at such an high altitude, you should not follow your traditional logic that is applicable in plains. One thing. What you should do is stay at Jispa because it is at an altitude of about 12,000 feet, which is decent
No,
enough.
Jispa is 10,500.
10,500 feet.
Yeah.
So it is pretty manageable after Manali. If you go beyond that, between Jispa and Leh, there is no proper place to stay. You can only get camps. And the camp stay that you will get is at Sarchu, which is at an altitude of 14,500 feet. And that is the place where most first timers get hit by AMS. That's why we are avoiding a stay at Sarchu and doing a long ride from Jispa to Leh directly.
Yeah, because acclimatization is paramount on such a trip. We have 10 days of riding ahead of us. If we push it on day 1, day 2, day 3, and if your body is just not ready for the ride ahead, there's no point. You're just going to struggle the rest of the ride. So guys, if you're riding on this ride and if you're new guys like us, now we've never done this. Jasveen is a pro level rider who's
3 times, that's it.
3 times is a lot, man.
Yeah.
I mean,
I've done Spiti twice, so I know it's
hey,
quite
Spiti की
similar.
बात नहीं हो रही, Ladakh की बात हो रही है.
It's same, yaar.
So we guys have never done Ladakh
Terrain
on
and
motorcycles.
climate is same.
So if you guys are doing this route, best is to stop at Jispa and not carry on till Sarchu if you're riding from Manali.
Absolutely. And stay hydrated.
Yeah.
And reduce the distance that you're doing every day. I mean, don't stretch yourself because fatigue and hydration is like the 2 factors that will eventually result into AMS.
Right.
That is very important.
Right. So guys, Jasveen does motor vlogs. Jasveen, what's your channel called?
My channel's name is 23 Rides. 20 TWENTY number 3 and Rides.
So I'm just going to put small clips of this ride. If you want a detailed log of the ride, Jasveen's going to do fantastic videos. Check his channel out. I'll leave a link in the description. Go to it. He's got some kick-ass content. I find Jasveen's content to be, at least in the Delhi NCR circle, us guys, the small riding community, I find your content to be among the top 3 guys that I look at.
Thank you.
So take a look at his channel. I think it's the absolute best if you're a slightly sensible, mature rider who does not want to ride fast, who wants to ride distance, and generally, just wants to enjoy motorcycles.
Thanks, mate. Thank you.
All right, man. And now,
मैं fire कर रहा हूँ भाई.
रुक जा. पहले देखो हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे.
जल्दी कर.
So we don't have a center stand on the motorcycle. So look at what they're doing. First, they're leaning it, and now,
हमने मल्टी स्टार्टर कर दी गोवा जाते हुए।
अरे यार न्यूट्रल नहीं है।
मल्टी और एक्सप्रेस की प्रोसेस इज सेम। वाह।
अरे न्यूट्रल नहीं। हाँ
Clutch.
Abhinav, you do the voiceover for your video as well as my videos as well. Your voice is so strong.
जा रही है पीछे। पीछे आ रही है पीछे। नहीं जा रही। इधर से रोल कर रहा भैया पीछे।
मेरे
The
सर
chain
पे लग
clean
रही है।
process for the express seems like a very light bike, but it is taking 3 people to bend it sideways to get the chain loop done.
हाँ ठीक है।
And we're going to repeat the process for all the motorcycles over here.
No.
Barry's motorcycle has a center stand. That's an advantage. So does the Himalayan.
Done. ये साफ है यार। It's like
अरे तेरी बाइक में भी सेंटर स्टैंड है यार.
मैं भी लगाऊंगा।
भाई स्टार्ट करके कर रहा है ये काम। हाँ स्टार्ट करके क्यों कर रहा है?
नहीं ये गलत है।
मैं
कैमरा मार
बंद कर रहा हूँ, मैं मत करो।
इसमें फंस जाएगा।
नहीं करना है।
नहीं फंसता यार।
मैं कह रहा हूँ नहीं करना है।
अब हाथ से घुमाओ और बाद में हाथ धो लेना।
उंगली प्यारी नहीं है तेरे को?
अबे नहीं जाता यार।
जिस दिन
और चला गया तो?
उस दिन होगा।
न्यूट्रल कर।
एक बैड मोमेंट बस और disaster waiting to happen।
अबे देख मेरी बात सुन। मैं देख कहाँ से लगा रहा हूँ।
मैं समझ गया।
अगर जाना भी हो ना
I
तो हाथ
know,
नहीं जाएगा।
I
मैं
know।
कपड़ा छोड़ दूंगा यहाँ से।
नहीं
नहीं यार।
कपड़ा अटक गया।
दिक्कत होती है जब यहाँ से करते हैं। इधर मारते हैं।
छोड़ दो ना, मत करो। क्यों लेना रिस्क? जरूरत ही नहीं है ना।
नॉर्मल मोड से मिलता वापस। एक सेकंड। हाँ ये लो।
अरे आगे
पूरा कटा है।
हाँ घंटा दूंगा यार।
अब देखो
हो गया।
हो गया।
कर भाई लूप।
मैं तो कैमरे से रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ ना. ये लो मैं यहाँ से पकड़ता हूँ.
भाई एक्सपर्ट को यूज करना आसान काम नहीं है। मतलब ये दिस इज टफ।
देखिए तो रानी की सेंटर स्टैंड डज नॉट वर्क एनीमोर। तो सेंटर स्टैंड वैसे भी लगेगा तो
अच्छा भैया नीचे लगा रहा था। हो गया।
हो गई.
क्लीन करने की जरूरत नहीं थी।
कल धुलवाई थी बाइक।
You need to clean it.
दूर से करो, आगे की तरफ करो ना।
अबे एक बार ट्रेन ना फ्लड हो रहा है।
अच्छा
खत्म हो गया। जाने वाला।
अरे बहुत है, सीधा रख कैन को। स्टैंड ठीक है। हाँ बस बस और ना कर ज्यादा।
And that's it. Maintenance is taken care of. We're gonna go up, freshen up, take a shower, change, get into our riding gear, and start riding. Bye bye.